What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to learn how to do a tune-up on a K24 engine or a Honda CRV or a Honda Civic SI, whatever, same motor. Today we're going to learn how to do a tune-up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super simple, super straightforward, so please stay tuned for more. The spark plugs I'm going to be using for today's video is NGK spark plugs. These are iridium. These are the best top-of-the-line spark plugs. I highly recommend these spark plugs if you're going to be doing this. You can get them at any auto parts store, or you can go at rockauto.com. I'll leave a link down in the description below. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking off these 10mm bolts here, and there. I'm going to be using this drill with a 10mm socket just to make it faster. You can use a ratchet with a 10mm socket end. Doesn't really matter. Let's get right into it. Now that you took the spark plug cover off, now you want to take off these ignition coils. I'm going to be using two long 3/8 extensions because the block is actually pretty deep, and you want to have more room to work with, so that way if anything happens, you have more space.
You would typically like to replace your spark plugs every 100,000 miles, every 4 years. As you can see here, that's what a used spark plug looks like. My tune-up hasn't been done on my car since I bought it, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do so. What I like to do is clean around the spark plug holes. It's not mandatory, it's not necessary. Just use some degreaser, spray on a rag, and just clean around.
Here are the new spark plugs we're going to be putting in the engine. So, let's get to work.
Now, this step may not happen to everyone, but sometimes the spark plug doesn't want to come out of the socket, or at least the socket I was using. So pretty much what you want to do is just try to screw it out, screw it back in a couple of times. Torque spec for these spark plugs on the K24 engine is around 12 foot-pounds, but you can just pretty much tighten till it's snug. Don't overdo it. It can cause problems in the future when there's corrosion on the spark plugs and they could get seized onto the block, so don't over tighten them. After you install the spark plugs, what you want to do is put the ignition coils back in the same order that you took them out, which should be simple because, again, the spark plug wires can't really move all that much. They're just staying in one position and they can only fit one way. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do want you guys to check out my new gaming channel, GameGuy99. It's out right now. And I hope this video helped, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.